Why's there nothing on TV? Jurassic Park! Jimmy! Come watch Jurassic Park! It's about dinosaurs and stuff!
What's Jurassic Park?
It's well sick!
Okay, cool.
Fucking Jurassic Park.
So what's it? It's like about dinosaurs and stuff?
Are you crying at Jurassic Park?
It's so sad, like, the dinosaurs, they don't know. Oh no.
It's not even sad, it's just about dinosaurs and people.
Yeah, it's sad, alright, like, the dinosaurs, they don't know what's happening, they're just creatures, and like these people, they've kept them in a cage, and like, and now they're just, I don't know, it's just sad. We don't know, it's getting a bit scary. I don't really like this scene in the kitchen.
Such a baby. Fine, I'll turn it off if it's scary.
Nothing on TV anyway. I don't know why you've said to come and watch TV with you.
I'm turning Jurassic Park back on.
Fine, turn it back on then.
Nothing on TV. There.